bumper. That's so much easier. Dude.
Jaden, what's going on here?
I'm putting a body kit on my car.
No.
Hey, do that? That is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like swearing and inappropriate shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. First thing that they with the different colors.
They always hype it up to you.
Now you're back here, Barry.
I have to transfer these holes to this lip.
Yeah? No, just take a bolt. Oh, yeah.
No, it's a hole that holds the front of it. Like what?
You guys see what you're talking about?
See right here?
Yeah, yes.
What?
I mean, we could probably trim a little bit more up and get
How much is that gonna cost?
I don't know.
Need some more trimming?
Go all the way up.
Good on this side.
Yeah, I don't think that bumper's gonna look good. If I was watching that.
Have you ever been under a heavy anesthetic? Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
How's the alignment looking?
No matter what it is.
He has a little bit difficult, but we're getting there. We got to drill holes to mount the bumper to this support, and then drill a hole here, a hole here, a hole there, each sides, and it's on.
Yeah.
It looks good.
I didn't.
Okay, try to sleep again.
Put the lights in, and then throw the side skirts on, go to the meat.
Front bumper's obviously on pretty good. Side skirts are now being put on.
Damn, that was mad low. You did.
Hello. Can we switch the language? What?
Yo, let me get a kick on the.
So guys, we've got the front bumper and side skirts. We'll do the back later. Jaden's getting the headlights
Taking
off.
my tail lights.
No, the headlights.
These are tail lights.
Headlights.
Tail lights. Pretty fun on that.
Jaden, you doing good, buddy?
Sure.
Right now they are moving the exhaust, or moving it a little bit for better fitting for the bumper. Holes are drilled for the back.
I need for 40.
Now it actually looks hot boy, not stock body.
Actually getting a little mad, boys. They're getting a little mad. He's calibrating the bags. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because I need to fix these and put them back on.
Are these trailing arms or control arms?
These are upper control arms.
Oh, you got 2 of them. Put them back on.
Because the ones that I bought are bent.
You bought bent ones?
No, I bent them.
Oh.